Hey, good morning. I'm Stuart Davis with Auto PSRUs. We're out here at Hillsborough Airport this morning at our hangar, and we're going to be doing a little demo run with our test engine. But first we'll talk about it a little bit. We're most famous for having a decoupling clutch on our gearbox. It automatically engages at about 800 RPM, so the engine starts like it's in neutral in the car. Then the clutch engages and everything works just like normal in an airplane. Our clutch is down here. We got some centrifugal weights that engage the pressure plate against the clutch disc. That's all really happens. This is what we actually manufacture as a gearbox. This is the BW350 for the Chevy V8s. We have our own lubrication system with our own oil pump here, oil filter. Everything inside the gearbox is pressure lubricated with gear lube, not engine oil. On this test stand, we have a LQ9 5.3 liter truck engine. It's 99% stock. The biggest thing we change is the exhaust manifold. Other than that, we put a fuse on each individual coil pack just to make sure that if a coil pack goes bad, we don't lose all 8. Okay, this is the control stand for the test engine. It's got just your basic instruments, tach, voltmeter, oil pressure, water temperature for the engine, fuel pressure as well. Then we have oil pressure and oil temperature for the gearbox. And of course we have a Hobbs meter here so we can keep track of test hours and stuff on customers' orders. We always test everything before we ship it. And we're always going to get at least 2 or 3 hours of run time, and then we'll tear down and inspect. We're ready to start this thing up. Clear, prop. Okay, we're all done running the engine outside and we've moved inside the hangar. Our hangar here on Hillsborough Airport is an 80 by 80 hangar. Basically, we do a little bit of everything in here. We've got Subaru engines that we're developing firewall forward kits for. We're working on a gyrocopter as well for another customer. If we scan the camera around, you're going to see a Tri-Pacer, an MG, an LS3 down here on another stand we're developing for another customer. We get good, consistent quality in our parts.